Are you stressed out?
Stressed out?
Yeah, you arrive in the house like this.
Yeah, it's like a bomb city.
You stressed out? You stressed?
What?
Are you stressed?
No?
What do you look forward when you go home?
When I come home?
When I come home?
To see you. And Ethan. And a nice cooled on blue on the table. Waiting.
Wala.
Yeah. Good drinks.
Of course, no other than Tita Ganda. Thank you so much, and this is especially for you. And I want to sing Paminsan-Minsan. I hope you will like this. Camera. I-on natin yun. Yeah. Is that okay, hon? I will sing Paminsan-Minsan because that's Tita's favorite song. Paminsan-Minsan. But I introduced nilabahan atong gipansikaran. Lord, di naman inormal. Yan, lupad. So na nakisoda na ang labada rataan niya. Okay, I'll be singing Paminsan-Minsan. So, I'll try my own version, Tita, the Paminsan-Minsan. And paminsan-minsan din dahil ma-out-of-tune ako, but I'm still practicing myself. But thank you that you admired my singing voice. And I look forward as well to Jermaine. Hello, Jermaine! This is Ninang. So this is how I do my Tita Ganda. Love you.